Over the last 30 years, I have put together courses, workshops, lectures, museum tours, and conferences on Black history and African heritage to teach and inspire the people. But my courses were only taught in the British cities of London, Birmingham, Bristol, Liverpool, Bradford, and Leeds. If you were on those courses, I salute you. But I could not reach everybody. We are changing this too. Together with my colleagues, we are launching an adult education online program aimed at you. It is called The Black Secret. Based on the book When We Ruled, we are offering you access to the most detailed Black history and adult education program ever. Many years ago, the legendary professor John Henrik Clarke proposed a Black history or African heritage course. Brilliant though it was, and it was brilliant, ours is even more complete. Of course, The Black Secret is online. You can get the content at any time or place at your convenience. We want people from all over the world to master our content. You could be in New York, Atlanta, Kingston, the Port of Spain, Accra, Abuja, Johannesburg, Nairobi, everywhere. We welcome you all. The workshop and lectures were originally filmed in a London classroom. Now people from all over the world are welcome to join us. Click on the link below or subscribe to get more information. Class is in session. As a thank you for visiting our website, we are giving you a free copy of our exclusive 100 Black History Facts, which is in fact a taster of our course content. Make sure you leave your email address and we will send it right to you. We hope it inspires you to dig deeper into your history and heritage.
The Black Secret.